Hey guys, so what you're looking at is this awesome power station. I've been using it for a few weeks and I love the fact that I can run a big appliance like this blender on it. As you can see, I have it plugged into one of the AC outputs right here, and I'm also charging up a few other devices with the USB. Really simple, awesome interface, and it has a screen in the middle that shows you everything you need to know. We'll go ahead and run this. Just turn it on, and you can see the screen has a live reading of the amount of watts it's currently using. So if I crank it up, you can see that the wattage goes up and the amount of time remaining goes down. That's pretty self-explanatory. If you're using more energy, it's not going to last as long, but all in all, this thing has about 1 kilowatt hour of energy stored inside of it. So a perfect option for backup power in case of emergency or power outages. And you can even use this for camping in the great outdoors. This little handle on here is really nice to have. The device itself is pretty heavy, but that's how every portable power station is. All in all, if you're looking for a well-rounded power station that seems to be made with high-quality components and works flawlessly, definitely give this one a try. I've been super happy with it, and I'm sure that you guys will be too.